Let there be light. Now what do I do? Guess I'll make a world. Water! I should use this. There's one of these in here, too. Let the waters under the heaven be gathered into one place, and let dry land appear. Sun. The moon. So now what? Animals. Fish. More animals. It's good. I guess I should make a person. What does a person look like? Guess it should look like me. Whoa. Hey, so,
Not much, how are you?
pretty good. You can have all this.
Really? That's good?
Yeah, it's good. Just don't eat any of my apples.
Alright. Okay.
But, you could take these seeds and, go forth and multiply.
Okay, right on, man. So, what are you gonna do now?
I guess I'll rest. Seriously? On my day of rest?